All clear on ramp 1.
Confirmed. Data entry complete for Group A.
Easy now, watch your step on the ramp.
I have the next 2 carriers ready, character A.
Logging the data now.
Did you log the interaction between subjects 12 and 14?
Yes, the swatting behavior is consistent with the hypothesis.
All vitals look stable on group 3.
Confirmed. The ginger one seems a bit agitated though.
I'll make a note on the manifest.
Look at the density reading here, 15% over baseline.
Yes, the growth cycle analysis confirms the anomaly. We should rerun the spectral analysis.
The dermal layer analysis for station 7 shows unprecedented results.
Yes, the cellular regeneration is remarkable.
Transfer rate is holding steady at optimal levels.
Confirmed. The automated doors are cycling now. The specialized conveyor system uses flowing water to gently move the material toward the purification stage.
Keep the pressure steady on table 3. Looks good, almost dry here.
Chest width 52 centimeters. Recorded. Check the sleeve length next. Sleeve length is accurate. Fur thickness at the cuff is 20 millimeters.
Okay, all data points are recorded and verified.
The chest width is exactly 12 inches.
Sleeve length is 22.5. I am recording that now.
Sleeve length is exactly 30 centimeters.
Hood depth looks good. The zipper guard is fully covered. It passes the inspection.
Sleeve length checks out at 23 centimeters.
Okay, noting that. The hood circumference is exactly as specified.
How many more of the green ones do we have left?
About 10.
Make sure they are perfectly shaped.
Almost there. Bring it back slowly. That's the last one. Seal it up. A little further. Okay, drop it. That's the final load. Secure the seal and let's roll.